Understanding Sorting Laundry, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common household activity, sorting laundry. This is a phrase you might hear often, so let's break it down and understand what it really means. Sorting laundry refers to the process of separating clothes and other items before washing them. This is done to ensure that each item is washed in the best way possible. The sorting is usually based on color, fabric type, and washing instructions. For example, we separate whites from colors to prevent color bleeding, and delicate fabrics are sorted to be washed gently. Sorting laundry is crucial for several reasons. Prevents damage. Separating delicate items from heavy ones prevents damage. Color preservation. Sorting by color, especially separating whites and darks, helps to maintain the original color of the fabrics. Efficiency. Sorting helps in choosing the right washing cycle for each type of laundry, thus saving energy and water. Whites refers to all white clothing. Colors includes all colored fabrics. Delicates, items that need gentle washing, like lingerie or fine fabrics. Heavy duty refers to robust fabrics, like jeans or towels. 1. Read labels. Always check the care labels for specific instructions. 2. Use separate baskets. Having different baskets for each type of laundry can simplify sorting. 3. Be careful with new clothes. New colored clothes might bleed color, so wash them separately at first. Sorting laundry might seem like a simple task, but doing it correctly can significantly extend the life of your clothes and save you time and resources. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, sorting laundry, and its importance in everyday life. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.